There was a woman, she ruled the kitchen with her crab boiling. She made hearts itching, oh yeah. Everyone lined up just to taste her feast. The best boiled crabs in the Caribbean, a culinary masterpiece. But one fateful day, as the sun
Once upon a time, crab hunting was more than just a seasonal activity in Jamaica. It was a cherished ritual that fostered community spirit and camaraderie. During crab season, the roads became alive, with vendors peddling their freshly caught crabs, their buckets filled to the brim as they made their way through districts and, of course, towns. These times were filled with laughter and shared experiences, particularly the nightly gatherings around the steaming pots of boiling crabs. One unforgettable night unfolded at Joanne's corner. After an evening of spending time in the thickest crab bush, the hunters returned with their bountiful catch. And of course, a large pot was set up, and soon the air was filled with the scent of crabs that permeated the air. And of course, the laughter and chatter continued as friends remembered the old-time days. The feast progressed and the crab shell began to pile up, creating a small mountain of discarded husk. Amidst the joyous scene, one man was spotted frantically shifting through the piles of empty shells. Curiously, someone asked him what was he looking for, since he was so earnest. With a mix of embarrassment and urgency, he explained that he had accidentally spat out his dentures while he was enjoying the crabs. Thankfully, Rex, the household dog, knew for scratching anything edible, was nowhere in sight, sparing the man a more complicated search. This incident, occurring amidst the lively atmosphere of Joanne's Corner, became a favorite tale, often recounted to the amusement of those who attended, and of course they enjoyed the laughter. It added another layer to the rich tapestry of the community and the life that Joanne's eatery really had. The reality is that Joanne's Corner stood as a beacon in the vibrant heart of that section of Jamaica. It was nestled in the busiest streets. It was a place where the aroma of ackee and saltfish, brown stew chicken, boiled crab and pimento, and roast corn filled the air. She crafted dishes that were infused with secret blends of spices, and it gave the food a magical taste. Making her crab dishes was the most important to her and the locals and, of course, tourists. This place was not just a place to eat. It was a place that people came together, sharing stories and creating memories, all woven into the fabric of Jamaican culture. However, one unfortunate day, Joanne's lapse in hygiene was captured on video, and that changed everything for Joanne and her cherished place. The footage showed Joanne compromising sanitation standards. The reality is that this lapse in hygiene was an understatement. The video went viral. It spread like wildfire on social media. Many were upset and voiced their views. Others said that they would not stop visiting her. One said that what the eye didn't see, the heart can't leap. The community was polarized, while some rallied to her defense, remembering the years that she dedicated her life and her culinary skills to others to have joy. Others had a deep sense of betrayal. However, in all of this, the person who recorded the video came under heavy pressure. They accused the person of causing mischief. And of course, she worried about her own safety. Notwithstanding, many said that this lady did the right thing and this was a public health concern and had to be addressed. The scandal reached local authorities, prompting an immediate shutdown of Joanne's Center. The once lively corner became a quiet place. The absence of the stall cast a shadow over the area. The streets were emptier without the noise of pots and the aroma of her cooking. In the heart of this situation, Joanne tried to explain the stresses that she was under that lapse of judgment take place. Faced with the backlash from the public, Joanne chose to retreat from the public eye, hoping that time would cool the heated debates and restore some semblance of normalcy. From a distance, she issued a heartfelt apology, reaching out through various channels, seeking forgiveness from the community and, of course, Jamaica, because she said she was sorry. Months turned to years, and Joanne's direct involvement in the food scene remained paused. She enrolled in food safety courses and obtained new certificates, transforming her understanding of culinary hygiene. Her journey was one of deep reflection and learning, aimed at proving that she had transcended her past mistakes. Back in the community, the void left by Joanne's absence was felt. The community was torn between their fond memories of her food and the lingering shadows of that hygiene incident. Some residents harbored hope for her return, seeing her sincere effort for redemption, while others remained skeptical. Their trust was too shaken to fully embrace the idea of her comeback. Joan, while ready to restart her culinary venture again, decided against returning to her old corner. The space fraught with memory of joy and controversy seemed to be unsuitable for her return. She needed a fresh start instead. She looked forward towards new locations where the legacy of her past mistakes would not cloud her future endeavors. As she prepared for a new chapter, Joan remained in limbo, her heart still tied to her community. She continued to refine her craft and waited for the right moment, a place to reintroduce herself, holding hope that she would once again share her passion for cooking with those who once celebrated her presence. The story of Joanne's Corner serves as a reminder of the challenges of overcoming past mistakes and the complexities of community forgiveness. It highlights the delicate balance between judgment and empathy and underscores the enduring human capacity for growth and redemption. Joanne's ongoing journey resonates with the resilience of the human spirits, embodied in the rich, vibrant tapestry of Jamaica's culture, ever hoping, ever evolving. Thanks for watching this video, and of course, please do share. I'm trying to move up by producing more, so please let me know if you like this content, and of course drop me a line. I'll respond to you. I want to be there sharing content and stories that make connection to our Jamaican culture. That's all for now.
There was a woman, she ruled the kitchen with her crab boiling. She made hearts itching, oh yeah. Everyone lined up just to taste her feast. The best boiled crabs in the Caribbean, a culinary masterpiece. But one fateful day, as the sun shone bright, a lapse of hygiene changed her fortune overnight. The kitchen was closed, the word quickly spread. The crab boiling days were over, she had to leave instead. Oh, the crab queen had to go, her reign ended, a tale of woe. No more taste of her delicious crabs, gone are the days, she could never get it back. She could never get it back.